Hello everyone! For this video, we are going to discuss perfect cubes and cube roots. Perfect cubes. A perfect cube is a number that is the result of multiplying a whole number by itself 3 times. For example, 2 cube. 2 cube. This time, ang exponent natin ay 3 at ang base natin ay 2. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin, we are going to multiply the base, which is 2, ng 3 times. So, 2 times 2 times 2. 2 positive 2 times positive 2 times positive 2 is equal to positive 8. Another example, 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3. Positive 3 times 3 is equal to positive 9. Positive 9 times positive 3 is equal to positive 27. Other examples are 4 cube. That means 4 times 4 times 4 equals to 64. 5 cubes, that's 125. 6 cubes is equal to 216. 7 cube, it is equal to 343. 8 cube, that is equal to 512. 9 cube, that is equal to 729. And 10 cube, that is equal to 1,000. Now, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, and 1,000 are just one of the many perfect cubes. These are examples of perfect cube numbers. Now, what if the given or the base is a negative integer? So, negative 2 cube. That means negative 2, that we will multiply negative 2 3 times. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. Hence, negative 2 cube is equal to negative 8. Another example, what if we will get negative 3 cube? It means we will multiply negative 3 3 times. Negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27. Therefore, negative 3 cube is equal to negative 27. Now, negative 8 and negative 27 are perfect cubes. Now, let's move on to cube root. Cube root of a number is the value that when multiplied by itself 3 times gives that number. Before we will discuss some examples, let us review first the radical expression. So this is the radical symbol. The number inside the symbol, we call it radicand. And the small number at this side is called index. So this time, since we are on cube root, so our index here is number 3. For example of cube root, we know that 2 cube, 2 cube is equal to, or positive 2 cube is equal to positive 8. Now, to get the cube root of 8, now pansinin nyo po, yung radical natin ay yung 8. Yung perfect cube. Okay? And then yung index natin is yung 3. Ito. Since we are getting the cube root, that is why 3 ang nasa index natin. Now, accordingly, ang cube root, ito daw yung number na kung saan, kung imumultiply natin ito sa sarili niya by 3 times, ang lalabas or ang answer ay 8. So, cube root of 8 is equal to positive 2. Kasi, positive 2 times positive 2. Again, kasi positive 2 times positive 2 times positive 2 is equal to positive 8. Another example, negative 2 cube. Alam natin na ang negative 2 cube ay is equal to negative 8. Kunin natin ngayon ang cube root ng negative 8. Again, ang cube root daw ay ito daw yung number na kung saan kung imumultiply natin ito sa sarili niya, ang lalabas ay negative 8. Yung nasa radical. Ang answer dito ay negative 2. Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. That is why cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. Another example, 3 cube. From previous example, 3 cube, positive 3 cube, is equal to positive 27. To get the cube root of 27, hahanap tayo, or the cube root is the number in which if we are going to multiply it to itself 3 times, ang magiging sagot ay 27. So, ano yun? Yung number na yun ay positive 3. Because, kung i-multiply natin ang 3 sa sarili niya ng 3 beses, ang answer niya ay magiging 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Another example, negative 2 cube. Alam natin from previous example that that is equal to negative 27. Ngayon, to get the cube root of negative 27, again, ito ang ating radicand at ito naman ang ating index. Ayan. So, to get the cube root of 27, pwede lang din natin tingnan yung sa base. It's negative 2. This should be negative 3 rather. Negative 3. Negative 3 cube. Negative 3 cube is equal to negative 27. So, yung answer natin is yung base, which is negative 3. So, negative 3 is the cube root of negative 27. Now, to check, pwede tayong mag-multiply. Imo-multiply lang natin ang negative 3 imo-multiply lang natin ang negative 3 ng 3 times to itself. Negative 3, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27. Therefore, negative 3 is the cube root of negative 27. Dito naman, positive 3 is the cube root of 27. Positive 27. At ayun lamang. Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my Facebook and YouTube page. Hanapin lang ang Math Squad. Salamat!